Now let's look at how to put up gear track channels. To install gear track channels over drywall, find and mark the studs and AC power lines. Use a level to position the gear track channel where you'd like it. The gear track channels must be placed so they begin and end at the studs. Be sure the gear track channel is level, and then drive a screw in every slot at every stud location. Be sure to install every screw at each stud and drive the screw through the groove until it's flush. As you progress across the wall, use the level to keep the gear track straight. If you're planning on hanging gearbox wall cabinets, space the gear track 18 inches apart from the bottom of one channel to the top of the other, so the brackets for the cabinets will fit. Need more options? Space the channels 6 inches apart. To install gear track channels in masonry walls, you'll need to drill holes through the channel and into the wall surface, and then use masonry screws every 24 inches. For extra hold, you can put construction adhesive on the channel before attaching it to the wall.